Flat Stanley finds Kia birds. Flat Stanley joined us on the trip to Arthur's Pass National Park. One of the fun things about this park is the chance to see Kia birds, and we were not disappointed. This large species of wild parrot are found only in the mountains of the South Island of New Zealand. The Kia's feathers are mostly olive green, with a brilliant orange-red under its wings, and it has a large, narrow, curved gray beak which helps it search for food. It builds its nest in burrows or crevices among the roots of trees in its alpine territory. The Kia is omnivorous, which means it will eat almost anything, but usually likes roots, leaves, berries, nectar, and insects. However, the Kia is a very smart and curious bird. In order to survive in the harsh mountain weather, the Kia has learned to solve puzzles, such as pushing and pulling on things in order to get food. They also like to work together in groups to get what they want. Kia are also really comfortable around people, and are rather cheeky birds that will poke around cars and bags to see what they can find. Some call them the juvenile delinquents of the parrot world. It's entertaining to watch them pry apart the rubber parts of cars or open up backpacks, until, of course, it's your lunch they fly off with. While we were in the Hummingbird Cafe, having some hot chocolate and coffee, a couple of Kias decided they would take apart the roof rack on our car. Zach had to go outside and kind of set them straight. However, as you can see, they didn't go far, and it took a couple of attempts to persuade them to leave our car alone and move on. We saw Kias several more times while we were in New Zealand, and each time it was great fun seeing what they would do next.